In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social media icons in Wix. This is a crucial step if you're looking to enhance the connectivity of your website and make it convenient for your visitors to find and engage with your social media pages. These icons will not only make your site look more professional, but also help you effectively drive traffic to your social media profiles, thus broadening your online presence. First, let's start by opening your Wix site in the Studio Editor. This is where you have the control panel to design and modify your website. Once you're in the editor, take a look at the left sidebar. You should see a variety of options here, as this is your toolkit for customizing your site with various elements. We're looking for the option labeled Add Elements. Click on it, and you'll notice a drop-down menu popping up with several categories of elements that you can add to your page. Now, let's navigate to the section marked Embed and Social. This area is packed with useful features that can enhance your site's interaction capabilities, particularly through social connectivity. By choosing Embed and Social, you open up a new menu which lists different options that allow you to combine external content to your website. In this menu, we're interested in the option called Social Bars. The Social Bars element is what allows you to seamlessly integrate social media icons into your page. Click on Social Bars, and it will give you access to a range of pre-designed social media icon sets. You can pick from several designs that fit the aesthetic of your site. Once you have an idea of the design you like, it's time to drag the social bar element onto your page. Simply click on the social bar, hold it, and drag it to the section of your web page where you want it displayed. This could be anywhere on your page, whether you prefer it in the header, footer, or anywhere in between is entirely up to you. As you position it, you'll notice helpful guidelines becoming visible. They ensure that your social bar is neatly aligned with the rest of your site. After settling the social bar in its place, it's important to ensure that the links are updated. You will need to replace the placeholder URLs these icons currently lead to with your actual social media profile links. Doing this is crucial because it allows your site visitors to easily navigate from your website to your social platforms with just a single click. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully added social media icons to your Wix website. It's an easy yet effective way to make sure your visitors stay connected. Thanks for watching, and be sure to give it a try and see the difference for yourself.